What's up mga Tarigis? Another tourist spot here in Baguio. Is Baguio Botanical Garden worth our time and money? Come with us and find out. The entrance fee is 100 per person. If you love flowers and plants, then this spot is for you. First stop is the Dahlia Garden, starting off with the Instagrammable walkway tunnel with hanging plants. The background walk effect. Ayan tuloy, muntikan kumabilang bakod. Salute po sa mga boyfriend na nag-i-effort kahit puro reject ang kuha. Mahina tong isang to. Kulang sa mga dapa-dapa. Mabigyan nga ng mga tips para matuwa naman yung jowa. Rampa na mga mare. O, yung palakad palayo effect. Ayan, sabay boom. Ikot. Ayan, ikot. Hintayin nyo lang may bubulag. Boom, boom. Kitang-kita mga idol. Ayun, tama na muna ang rampa at mag-selfie na tayo kasama ang Baguio Botanical Garden. When we went here, they are still